a patriotic feeling. People have this thing in their heart. How? Like I said, Pope tried to interfere in the political system of their own country. But what happened? Pope tried to interfere in other countries' matters also. Like there is a church in Italy and Pope is the head. So Italy's Pope tried to interfere in the matter of Germany's thing. Means Italy's Pope will try to, they said that we are the head or the representative from the God side and we are having sole authority. We can give any order. So within their own country they are interfering. But apart from their own country, they were interfering in the other countries' matter also. So during that period of time, people of other countries, they didn't like this thing. They said that it is our country, our rule, and we will decide everything. So this Pope is a foreigner. This Pope is a foreigner. How he could take the decision of our country? So in this way, patriotic or nationalism feeling arises, and they were against the Pope also. So in this way, it leads to the development of the nationalistic feeling among the people of other nations. Okay? Understood? Now next is related to evil practices in the church. Evil practices in the church, like all the nobles, priests or pope, they were living very luxurious life. They were not paying much attention towards the common people, how to solve their problem. They were living their life very luxuriously. They were not having that much tension. And upon that, evil practices were also given. Like slaves were there, poor people were there, they were not getting much importance from their side. And they were sold out in the market. They were sold out in the market, and this evil practice was known as simony. What is? Due to this practice, a slave can be sold in the market. They were not having that much importance in the society. So this was an evil practice of the church. And apart from this, Pope and church, you can say, they issued some kind of pardon certificates, or you can say papers, like paper of indulgence, absolutions and dispensations. According to these certificates, a person can, if a person is there and he had done any sin or any crime, so Pope said, if you have done anything, any crime, any sin, if you will purchase these pardon certificates, these papers, and do something, read out or something else, if you will purchase these pardon certificates, your all the crimes and sins will be wiped out and you will not go to hell. So do you feel that it can be like this? If someone will tell you that if you will purchase this paper or this book, read out and do something else, you will not go to hell. So it is like that. You will believe? You will believe? No, it is not like that. But earlier people were doing before the Renaissance period. But when they started learning the minds were changed. So you can see, to earn more money, to get more money from the people, they have started these all evil practices. And when after that people realize all these evil practices, they have questioned to the Pope and the church. And in immediate causes, last one, so it is easy that due to all these factors, revolts started in different places. But revolts were very small, so those revolts were crushed easily by the Pope and the church. But the real revolution comes from the side or from the work of Martin Luther. He became a revolutionary during that period of time. But this topic was reduced by ICSE, but for your knowledge I'm just teaching this. This Martin Luther was one of the intelligent and important person in the history of this Reformation. He was the scholar, you can say, of theology. He studied theology. Theology means, you can see, he studied religious book, especially Bible. When he started learning all these things, he realized that whatever the things are going there in different parts of the Europe, it is not like that. As per the Bible, things are not like that. People like paper of indulgence, like these evil practices are not mentioned. Why Pope is doing and church is doing? So he started questioning. In this way, he had some kind of problem, and he faced some problem from the side of Pope. He was a very learned and intelligent person. You know, Pope sometimes send his person to debate on personal topics, and you know, whenever a person came from the side of Pope and that person debated with the Martin Luther easily defeated him, because he was a very knowledgeable and learned person. Every time he just proved it that you people are doing wrong things. See this, according to this. If you people are having proof and having that much knowledge, you people can easily defeat, or you can give your argument. If you don't know anything, so how you will debate? So in this way also. So in this way, he became very much he became very much famous among the people, and in this way, by the effort of Martin Luther, he made a national church, and there was a division in Christianity. Earlier Catholic Church was there. He established the Protestant church. What is Protestant church? Now Christianity is divided into two parts, according to the Catholic Church and the Protestant Church. Some people followed the Catholic Church and some were the followers of the Protestant. Even today also. My bag is there. Small pocket is outside. My bag. That, I think, key is there. Tell to Humera, she will take. Okay, understood? So in this way you can say division was there. Catholic Church and the Protestant Church. By the effort of Martin Luther, this thing came into existence. Okay? So just remember this much about the Martin Luther. Okay? Now just read out till here. From this causes till this role of Martin Luther, just have some kind of reading. Just have a look on these topics. Inshallah, after that we will start impact of the Reformation. Have a look on these topics.